Good afternoon, section Kamya.
Good afternoon, sir.
Before you take your seat, let's have the Father.
Our Father, who art in heaven, hallowed be thy name. Thy kingdom come, thy will be done, on earth as it is in heaven. Give us this day our daily bread, and forgive us our trespasses, as we forgive those who trespass against us. And lead us not into temptation, but deliver us from evil. Amen.
Once again, good afternoon, class.
Good afternoon, sir.
So before you take your seats, please arrange your chairs properly and please pick up some pieces of papers under your chairs. Who's your class secretary? Is there anyone absent for this afternoon or present lang? Thank you, Mr. So, this afternoon we'll proceed to another topic. But before that, I will introduce first my classroom rules. Always remember my name, Tamer. Tamer stands for think. Think before you talk. A. Always listen to others. And make sure to be respectful. And maintain good manners. While your phones are strictly prohibited during class hours. And R. Raise your hand if you want to speak. So do you have any questions about my classroom rules? No? Very good. So, what was your last topic? Anyone from the class? What was your last topic? Yes, miss? About nutrition? Yes, very good. So last meeting you discussed about nutrition. Very good. This afternoon, we will proceed to another lesson. But before that, let's have an activity first para ma-energize ang tanan during my discussion. And this activity called Guess Me with Your Tips. The mechanics of this game. I will divide the class into two groups. So ang kaning center 3 ang kaning column padong dito group 1, then this column padong dito group 2. Ang inyong buhaton this goal na paper. Each group will be given 1 minute to guess. If kinsa to ang grupo ang pinakadaghang correct answers, maoy daog. So like for example, nagbunot ko diri ang akong nabunutan kay kuan, red. So akong i-draw ang red using my hips. Ang first representative diri, maoy mo draw sa word nga nakasulat sa papel. And the rest numbers mo guess if unsang word ang gisulat. Like for example, ako na nakabaw sa paper or sa word nga nakasulat. Akong i-draw, anak. Ay. So ang buhaton sa mga numbers, i-guess niya if unsang kong word ang iyang i-draw. Dili ang letter may i-guess kung dili ang word yun mismo. Like for example, red, anak. R, A, B. Ang three mga numbers sa group 1, i-guess niya if unsang word ang draw sa representative. Nakasabot? Yes, sir. Mag-start ta sa group 1. Isa may first representative sa group 1 nga mo. Kuan. Naay price ang mo barog. Ang barog naay price na? Group 1 first. Group 1. One representative sa group 1. Anyone? Mr. Duwag yung representative sa ang ilang numbers, yes, kung sa ilang draw ay using is hips. Kasabot. Okay, mag-start ta. Para ang paper and bro. Timer. 3, 2, 1. Ang group 1 rin yung gas ang group 1. members mo nang wala nakakaog points. So based on the activity, based on the words written on the paper, what is our topic for this afternoon? About? Very good. Our topic for today is about dances. So specifically in American dances. Listen, in American dances, tagag under a dance day. But this afternoon, I will discuss the Red River Ballet Dance, kasakop sa American. So, the objective of this lesson, at the end of the 45 minutes discussion, 70% of you students are expected to A. Identify the basic dance terms and steps of Red River Ballet. B. Execute the basic dance terms and steps of Red River Ballet. And C. Appreciate the importance of basic dance terms and steps of Red River Ballet. And after my discussion, I will be giving 10 item B's, and you students must get 7 and above para makapasing score. Nakasabot. Then, if makakita mo og star sa screen, it means mubarog ang tanan. Ang unhi nga mubarog nga akong makitaan, maoy mo answer sa akong question or mo execute in front of class. Nakasabot ba? Yes, sir! Again, makakita og star sa screen sa buhaton, mubarog. Ang unhi nga makabarog sa buhaton. Answer sa question. Very good. siya. Mag-find out sa star after ani. If na star makita niyo. So the Red River Valley. The Red River Valley is a popular American square dance that involves walking, circling, and swinging partners. And also it is a folk dance that accompanied with a song lyrics. The dance is performed to the traditional folk dance or folk song of the same name. So the Red River Valley is a lively American square dance with a rich history. So it's a fun social dance where participants or dancers walk, circle, and swing partners in a structured pattern. The dance involves a series of simple steps. Again, the dance involves a series of simple steps, including walking, circling, and swinging. Again, what are the simple steps involved in the Red River Valley dance?
Walking, circling, and swinging partners.
So, it's performed to the traditional folk song entitled The Red River Valley. So, ang first nga na-famous is the Red River Valley nga kanta. If walay kanta nga the Red River Valley, walay may tabo nga sayaw nga Red River Valley. Ano man, ang Red River Valley dance is na iyang name sa title sa kanta. And also, ang step, gabasi ra pud ang step sa lyrics sa kanta sa the Red River Valley dance. So the composer sa Red River Valley dance is unknown. But, naay-duha ka tawo nga nakapa-famous, nakapa-popular sa Red River Valley nga kanta. First, si Gene Autry. Iyang napa-famous ang kanta nga the Red River Valley in 1936. Again, in what year?
1936.
And the second person is si Slim Whitman. Si Slim Whitman, siya nag-release siya og album entitled The Red River Valley. Mao nang na-famous siya. Si Slim Whitman nag-release siya og album in 1976. Again, in what year?
1976.
Very good. Do you have any question about this one? No. Kasi na naka-follow ang tanan?
Yes, sir.
Follow ra?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Good. Dapat yun. Focus yun. Focus ay para makakita. Listen. Next is the origin, the cultural context, and the values inherent in the dance. The Red River Valley is a folk song and cowboy music standard of uncertain origin that has gone by different names. So the Red River Valley is a well-known folk song. It's a well-known folk song with a rich history and its many names. So the Red River Valley has been sung into different names or into different titles, including Cowboy Love Song, Bright Sherman Valley, Bright Laurel Valley, in the Bright Mohawk Valley, and Bright Little Valley. So as what I said earlier, una na famous ang kanta nga the Red River Valley. Isa ang sayaw. Kaya walay kanta nga the Red River Valley, walay makadunga sayaw. Kaya ang sayaw gingana sa iyang kanta sa title sa kanta and also ang action, gabasi ra pud siya sa lyrics. So it highlights the song's enduring popularity and how its variation reflects the diverse cultural identities of the American people. Sumuni siya ang the Red River Valley na sikat siya sa United States and Canada. Again, asa na famous ang the Red River Valley na kanta?
United States and Canada.
Very good. So, nakasabot ka sa diri nga part. Proceed na ta or napoy pangutana. Wala na. Next. Wala pa. So the Red River Valley song's exact origins are debated, but it's generally believed to have originated in North America. So no one for sure knows that the Red River Valley, if asa siya nagdikan, because ang mga tao sa una wala kabalo, if asa gini siya nag-originate, but most people think it was created in, or it was originated in North America in the mid-1800s. Again, asa na-originate ang the Red River Valley?
North America.
Very good. And asa siya na famous? The Red River Valley, guys, listen. The Red River Valley reflects the values of the Métis people. Métis people are the indigenous people of Canada. So if this is isang atong indigenous people ang Badjaw na sa ato sa Canada, sa North America, sa America, ang ilang indigenous people called Métis people. So they are one of the fastest growing demographics. So if sa top 5 pa, appeal sila sa top 5 na pinakapaspas o pinakadali ng raghan na population. So appeal sila sa top 5. So the Red River Valley Dance is often performed at social gatherings, festivals, and community events, bringing Métis people to celebrate their unique cultural identities. So the Red River Valley is it is a way to preserve and express their own cultural identities. So ngunit siyang the Red River Valley, ngunit siya ang mga Métis people mag-celebrate sila together para i-share nila ang ilang mga unique characteristics, unique traditions, cultural identities ng mga iusa sila dito sa ilaha. Nakasabot? Yes. Nakapalo? Yes. Meron na po paspas? Yes. Next, the common dance terms involved in the Red River Valley. So the common dance terms involved in the Red River Valley. So the first dance terms, common dance terms involved in the Red River Valley is slide. So it is simple, slide. From the word itself, slide. So yung mag-slide na siya dila. Kumbaga, ang kanina dance terms include, appeal niya siya sa sayaw. Slide, from the word itself, slide. Dili isa ang dito, dili is slide lang mo. Slide ka pa doon sa inyong right, slide ka pa doon sa inyong left. Later on, makakita na mo if unsa ang video na the Red River Valley kaya na-prepare mo itong video para magabalong mo sa ilahang sayaw. The second, nagsabot ka sa slide? Yes, sir. Proceed ka na sa second? Yes, sir. Very good. The second one is circle. From the word itself, circle. So, including this sa naman. So, the Red River Valley Dance, even though it is a group performance, dinivide man siya into 3. And usually, one boy at damido din sa side sa lalaki, 2 ka babae. Pero pwede mo balik. Isa ka babae sa center, then laki ang 2 ka side. Ang natong mga tag 3, 2 ka tag 3, na 3 3 na 3 4, na 3 na 3. Ang galing 2 ka tag 3, magsugat sila, mag-circle, bali mahog sila punong na. Mag-circle sila pa doon sa ilahang left, mag-circle po sila pa doon sa ilahang right. Ang natutong other 3 dito na sa 3, mag-form po silang circle padong sa right o padong sa left. Maunang na ay circle nga dance terms applied to sa the Red River Valley na dance. Nakasabot ra? Yes, sir. Very good. The third one is Dusido. Dusido is first a step performed by 2 persons. So, duhami kabuok nag-atbang. Ang pag-perform sa Dusido para dindot kita ng performance o para same o PL na dilulong o padong sa right, ang i-move nga PL, right. Pala akong atbang, nag-move po siya sa right. Kaya sa right pa pa nag-move, ang atong ganito sa pag-forward, ang atong pong right foot, forward ko. Kasi ang atong atbang, yung forward po siya na sa likod. Hindi guman, move na po sa atong left. Kasi ang harap po sa atong left. And also, back. It is Dusido. So, kinsa may mo execute ko sa akong paisan para makabalo kung sa Dusido. Dali, daga na to prize. Yes. Come in front. Ako yung paris mo, don't worry. Parisan na para makabalo kung sa Dusido. Kung saan sa Dusido. Hindi na ko i-execute. Basta, without execute para makabalo mo dito na Dusido. At tanawa mi tanawa giunsa pa execute. So nag-face ni na ibangan ni. Move to your right, move right. Right, ana. Move siya right. Forward using your right foot. Move to your left using your left foot. Left, right. Back. Move backward using your left foot. Then move to your right using your right foot. It is possible. Kumbaga, nag-square ring duha. Pero dito siya kitang naman. Nag-ulit-ulit man pinag-ana-ana ni Nay siya kitaon. Basta, same o ilang gamitin dito. Rami ba po sa mga squad? Nakasabot ba sa Lucido? Nakasabot ba sa Lucido? So, mag-proceed ka sa fourth dance step. The fourth dance term free hand. From the word itself, free hand. So the hand is not doing anything. Like for example, akong right hand naghawid sa akong partner. So asa man akong free hand? Ang free hand, wala gigwat kamo. Akong right hand na gihawiran. Asa man akong free hand? Akong right or left? Left. Yes, very good. Ano man? From the word itself, free hand, it is free. Walay gibuha. Free sa tanan. Nagawin na akong left, akong right sa akong partner, kung akong left, akong free hand. If ang akong left hand naghawid sa akong partner, kung saan akong free hand? Right, very good. Sila kasabot sa free hand. Proceed ka sa fifth dance term. And it is lift. Spring on the supporting foot and land on the other foot. Sayo na rin siya ang lift. Ang ilang nila, mulayat ka sa imong usa ka tiil, na imong ilan sa pikas na tiil. Kana tigay padili maglibog. Like for example, ang supporting foot nako, ang ako ang right. Ano ang supporting foot nako ang akong right? Kan akong right foot mo man nagda sa ako ang left. So if mulayat ko padung ana, mo na siya lift. Kumbaga akong supporting foot ang right, kunya nilad ko sa left, lift. Nilad ko sa left foot, mo na siya lift. Again, ang tigamisa ni part ko maglibog. Spring on the supporting foot, ilad ninyo sa other foot. Og mo niya akong supporting foot, ang akong ilad, ang gani siya busa. Mo ni siya lift. Kaya daghan magmalibog sa lift. Kaya dahil man siya ma-turn, malaya ko na same putra. Dahil ni siya ma-turn, akong ma-discuss on ang gani, kung saan itawag ani nga turn. Again, kung saan ganito ang lift, kaya sa usa ka tiil, mulan sa pingas ko. Hindi sa may mo execute sa lift. Dali, ikaw. Dali, execute sa lift. Go, execute sa lift. Ato ba sa lift? Asa yung supporting foot? Anak. Go, layat. Very good. Once siya yung lift, kumakain yung jump sa average niya ma. Nakakabot sa lift. Proceed ka sa kinasayunan. Jump. Jump. Sayunan tayo ng jump. Spring from one or both feet and land on the both feet. Like for example, pwede ang jump ko sa iyong supporting foot. Mulan ka, both feet na. It is jump. Pwede po jump. Duha imong supporting foot. Marayat ka, duha gapon, both feet. Pero pwede sa usa ang imong supporting foot na mulan ka sa both feet. Layat. It is jump. Wala na naglibog sa jump. Kung saan ganito ang lift, bulayat, alam na nakasaha. Pinakasayon, bulayat sa pikas na tiil, niya ilan sa pikas na tiil. Ano na, dili mo ising o blan. Kaya imong ising o blan ang imong tiil, mo na gitawag o half. Half. Mo na gitawag o half. So again, ang half, spring on the supporting foot and land on the same foot. Like for example, ang supporting foot kaya ako ang right. Yung land goes same. It is half. Kumbaga same, walay gamit ang tikas na naman same na may mukhang bilan. Kung kanin siya, lift siya. Ano naman, ang tikas man akong gigamit na tiil. Pero same na siya, muna niya siya itawag kung half. Kinsay mo execute sa half. Yes, ikaw naka-block. Execute back. Go! Lift. Execute ang lift. Para aglibo. Lift. Very good. Nakasabot ka ba sa tulog? Kasabot or mag-discuss na po? Let's proceed to the dance turns. naman mo. Pag-create na dance terms. Uy, nasa ano sa Ali. Sige, mag-volunteer siya. Sige, take your listen, execute your hop and jump. Execute go. Very good. Hop. Paminaw mo sa basic dance step. Kamu na po mo, exit, yun, ganahan ang mga kalawa. So, the basic dance step. The first dance step is close step. Close step. So, ang pag-execute sa close step, simple na kayo. Step your right, close your left. Pwede po padong sa left. Step your left, close your right. Kaya na kayo ang close step. So, nakasabot ang close step. Ako yung pa-o sa execute later para makadawad na po, duha ka buong na prize. The second one is cross step. Cross step. So, if ang close step, kung ka step ma-apply, ang cross step is step your right, cross your left, and step your right. Padong sa left, step your left, cross your right, and step your right. Left, I mean, muna siya cross step. If ang close step, step close lang, ang cross step, step, cross, step. So napulo siya, ito na ang movement nga i-apply. And the last dance step in Red River Valley, slide step. Slide step is slide pa doon sa right, na i-close na po din mo ang left, pero pinaslide din siya isa. Slide man, so it means slide, slide. Slide sa left, slide na po, i-close din mo dito, left. Nakasabot para sa slide step.
Yes, sir.
So, kinsay mo volunteer. Isa sa kamot. Hindi mo volunteer siya. Cross step, cross step, cross. Oh, balik. Cross step, go. Okay, go. Step, cross, cross. Balik. Go. Step, step left, cross right, cross. Then step left. Padong sa right. Ay, step right, step right, step. Step right, cross left, then step right. Very good. Mona shine. Students, do you have any questions about the basic dance steps and basic dance verbs? No. So, if not, let's have an activity. Let's have an activity. This activity called dance step. This activity called before that, ako ipakita sa inyo mga action. Mga action nga appeal sa Red River Valley nga dance. Mga action. So kani siya mo ni siya yung action na inyong magamit sa sayaw nga the Red River Valley. Slide 3 times in the man's left, the man's right, and clap right hands. Then wala to siya. Inyo namin siyang i-follow. After ani, magpa-view ko o video para makasabot mo kung saan siya pag-execute sa sayaw. So, the video, muna na siya ang video. Follow lang nga ang video para makasabot mo sa video kung saan pag-execute nila ang the Red River Valley dance.
Red River Valley.
Swing partners. Swing partners. Swing partners. Oh, balik na siya. Ang kanina action, balik na siya. Balik na siya. Dusido. Oh, dusido. Balik na siya from the top. Balik na siya ha. Action. Walang simple na diba? Sayaw na never balik. Balik na po siya. Balik ra ang action sa sayaw. Wala na siya. Wala na sa ganang sayaw na siya ha. Sayaw. Tingog na ay walking, circling, of swing partners. Diba sayo na ang video? Sayo na sa exit. Ano naman? Kung saan ganito ang nag-improve na simple steps sa kuan, the Red River Ballet, walking, swing partners, very good. So, do you have any questions about dance terms and dance steps? No. So, because, wag naman yung kamutaan na, let's hum. This activity called execute look. Pero, if gusto mo volunteer para mag-execute sa dance steps and dance terms, you can. Para makadawat ka sa kong license. So, I was the next, hindi mo volunteer sa license. I was the next students to execute the dance terms and dance steps sa Red River Ballet. So, give side mo execute sa slide step. Slide step. Hindi ikaw. Slide step. Very good. Jump! Sige, kayo na sa siya o si Baro. Execute jump. 1, 2, 3, go! Very good. Cross step. Cross step. Cross step. Cross step. Go step. Cross step. Step. Go. Very good. Very good. Cross step. So, again, asa na-originate ang the Red River Ballet Dance? Isa answer. Ikaw, go. Very good. North North America. So, again, here, at least 3 dance terms na atong na-discuss. 3 dance terms. Ikaw, Miss, stand up. 3 dance terms na atong na-discuss. Slide. Circle. Dusido, very good. So, what is the importance of the basic dance steps and terms of Red River Ballet Dance? Kung saan may importante sa mga steps, mga basic steps sa sayaw, kung saan na siya. Ano importante man nga ma-learn nato ang basic steps, usa ta musayaw sa complex nga mga sayaw. Dapat basic, usa ang complex nga naman. Ano ingana man ang paagi na dapat i-learn daan ang basic. Sige ikaw, anong need man to i-learn ang basic? Hardly mamali? Yes? Pwede siya? Another hand. Thank you, Mr. Pardon ko tanawon. Another hand pa yun. Thank you, Mr. fluently, go na siya. Pero, thank you everyone.
Wow!
Isa pa ba? So, anong need na makabalo sa basic steps and dances sa hanuman? Maumali atong foundational skills. Students. Maumali atong foundational skills sa pag-execute sa sayaw. Mura ko na, di ba, pag-elementary nyo nag-learn pa sa arithmetic 3 hours, arithmetic, reading and writing. Sa sayaw po, dapat makabaw ka sa basic steps and terms para i-execute sa sayaw, di ito mag-lisod. Ito na kasabot na. Again, anong need na tumibaw ang basic skills? Kay maol ato ang foundational skills, may foundation sa sayaw. Kasabot.
Yes, sir.
Again, anong galing need na tumibaw ang mga basic steps and terms? Maol foundation natin sa pagsayaw before tamo tayo sa complex skills. So, do you have any questions? Clarifications? Violent reactions? Wala. So, if none, I think it's time for quiz. So, get your quiz notebook. Ready na ba? Ready na ang quiz notebook?
Yes, sir.
Open up if ready na. Open up. Open up if ready na. So ready na ang tanan. Go. Ibutang na ang open. So 10 item quiz run siya. Ayun na gapong kaayon. Test 1. Identification pero na ay choices sa box. Para i-good ma-zero, ma-perfect good mo sa case. Test 1. Identification. Direction. Identify the dance terms and steps in the regular body dance described in each item. Choose your answer inside the box and write your answer in quiz. Muna siya ang choices. Number 1. A movement where two people pass each other, moving to the right shoulder and then back to the original places. Kapag nag-atbang, move to your right, forward, move to your left, backward, and balik sa original place. Kung saan man ito siya movement. Two places, kaya nag-atbang. Find your own paper. Next. Next. Yes. Number 2. A movement where persons spring in the supporting foot and land on the same foot. Same foot. Ang usa ka tiil, walay gamit kay same ra ang pagland. Kung saan man ito siya na movement. Spring on the supporting foot and land on the same foot. Same foot ra, same. Done? Number 3. A simple step where you move your right or left foot and then close with your left or right foot. And as a question and answer, Caro. Move your right, then close your left. Move your left, close your right. A simple step. Done? Number 4. A simple step. Step gihapon. A simple step where you move your right or left foot, cross with your right or left foot, and then move again. Right or left foot. Cross with your left. Nasa kuan, nasa question and answer. What step man na siya? Step, cross the board, step. Step, cross, step. Step, cross, step. Kung saan man na siya nga step. Sa tawag ana. Number 4, number 5. Last number sa identification. A movement where person move slanted. Paslant ang iyang pag-move. Right forward and move slanted to need the another person. Paslant ang movement. Paslant ang movement. Slant. Slant. Done? Test 2. True or false? Write love if the statement is true and they if it is false. Write your answer on your quiz. Don't go. Again, if correct is true ang answer is not love. If false, they. Number 1. The Red River Ballet is a popular American square dance that involves walking, circling, and swinging partners. It involves walking, circling, and swinging partners. Love or Dave? Done? Number 2. The Red River Ballet song's exact origins are debated, but it's generally believed to have originated in Europe, likely in the mid-1800s. Originated in Europe. Love or Dave? Done? Number 3. The Red River Ballet dance. The Red River Ballet is a dance that celebrates community, cultural heritage, and the blending of different traditions. Again, that's not celebrate community, cultural heritage, and blending of different traditions. Love or babe? Done? Done? Number 4. The dance is performed to the traditional folk song of the same name. The dance is performed to the traditional folk song of the same name. So ang una na famous ang kanta, sunod ang sayaw. Clue na po siya. The dance is performed to the traditional folk song of the same name. Ang una na famous ang kanta, din sunod ang sayaw. Ang sayaw nagdepende sa kanta. True or false? Or love or hate? Last number. Last. Number 5. The dance is often performed at social gatherings, festivals, and other events where people come together to celebrate their culture. Celebrate social gatherings, festivals, and other events. That opens up. Opens up. Let's change your seatmates. Seatmates lang, seatmates. So let's start your number 1. Number 1, what's your answer?
Bosido.
Bosido, very good. Number 1, Bosido. Okay, okay. Number 2, what's the answer? What's your answer? Hop. Hop, very good. Hop. Right, corrected by us sa inyo ang most. Number 3. What's your answer? Yes, very good. Close step. Number 3, close step. Number 4. What's your answer? Cross step. Very good. Cross step. Last number. What's your answer? Very good. Diagonally. Diagonally. Test 2. True or false? Number 1. Wow. Very good. Number 2. that we have discussed. And after mo mag-choreograph immediately, you have performance. Then, you can have it with or without music. If mag-music mo, ganito ang direct verbal na music. And your video is a minimum of 1 minute and a maximum of 3 minutes. And you will be graded according to this criteria. Mastery, 10 points. Poise and grace, 5 points. Timing and coordination of body movements, 5 points. Proper execution, 5 points. Creativity, 15 points. And choreography, 10 points. For a total of 50. So do you have any questions? Clarification? Violent reaction?
No, sir.